Guys, my name is Camden, and today we're not working on the Miata, we're actually working on the Mustang. I've had this exhaust rattle for a long time. I've really neglected fixing it. I've been putting it off for no reason really. I have the piece, it's just replacing a hanger. I don't know, I guess it's just a pain just because it's not something, it's not an appearance, it's not performance. It's just kind of annoying. Let me see if you can really hear it when it's in reverse, so we'll see if we can hear it. All right, let's see. Yep, there it is. That sounds pretty awful, so let's fix that. So the issue here is this this front exhaust hanger, the one closest to the rear of the car. So if we look at this side, it doesn't move at all, and there's no, it's fine. That one's fine. And on this side, that's the problem, where it hits the body right there. It's awful. It's really bad. So let's fix that. Here is the culprit. Or is it that one? Nope. Look at that. That should not be doing all that. That is definitely the culprit. So let's get that fixed. Got some lubricant here and some channel locks. So we're gonna try and get this out. So we should be able to just spray a bit of that in there, and then a bit on top. I don't know, that should be enough. So let's try and get that old crappy thing off there. Might need two hands here. So the idea was, since it is so crappy, you could just twist it off with some channel locks and with some lubricant on there. That obviously didn't work. Might just try and cut it off with a saw. Let's try that. And some safety glasses. I'm just gonna try and just saw it right down the side and see if we can pull it off then. So I'm gonna go try that right now. With a bit of random sawing, I just sawed like on the side there and right there. I was able to push the bottom out with my hand, and you can see how just totally crap this thing is. So I might try and saw that part off too on the top, or I might try and pull it out. So we'll see how that works. After some coercion with a screwdriver and some more lube, we were to press it off of there. So this is it. It's just these middle pieces were just so worn out. So hopefully the new one will make it a lot better. So let's get that one. So here's the new one. Hopefully it's the same holes in the same place at least. It looks like it. I'm not sure. Are you supposed to drill those out? Why are the I don't know. Whatever, we'll figure it out. So it turns out the rubber in the middle is super thin. I was able to just poke it out with a screwdriver, and you probably didn't even need to do that. So hopefully I didn't mess anything up. So now we should be able to just press this back on. Alright, so there's the holes right there. So hopefully, if we just take this, that should be able to go in there. We can just wiggle that on. Wiggle. Oh yeah. Alright, so that went on. Now I'll probably need two hands to get this one on. So let's try that. Alright, the new exhaust hanger has been installed, and hopefully we don't hear a rattle. If we hear a rattle, I'm gonna be pissed. So let's pull the car out. It usually does it in reverse, so we'll pull out and see what happens in reverse. Here's the moment of truth. Car started. So in reverse is really the issue. So we're gonna we're gonna turn here and go in reverse and see what happens. So let's see how this works out here. Please, please, please. It's not as bad. Not as bad at all. That's for sure. Oh, that didn't do it at all. Maybe just need to settle into place or something. I know reverse is literally when it did it most. It did it a little bit whenever you're cruising at like 1500 to 1700 RPM. But it did it the loudest whenever I would go into reverse out of the driveway. So let's try again. Hey, that's so nice. I'm so happy that actually worked. Wow, it's gonna be so much better cruising around, because it wasn't bad on the highway, but whenever you were cruising in cities, in the city traffic and whatnot, doing like 30-ish miles an hour, that was the worst. So I'm super happy that that was fixed. I hope you liked the video. It's probably a pretty short one, but we finally got to working on the Mustang again. That's really the only thing that I needed to do, for a little while at least. We'll see what comes up in the future. But I hope you liked the video, comment, and subscribe if you want to. I will catch you in the next one. Probably working on the Miata. We got a lot of stuff that I want to do to that car. So let's get to it. I hope you have a great day.